Welcome children, welcome to your English class. The name of the chapter is The Grasshopper and the Ant. Class 2 English, Unit 10. This is a story about the lazy grasshopper and the hard-working ants. Once there lived a lazy grasshopper. He didn't like to work. All day long he sang songs and played in the warm sunshine. Hee hee hee! Look at me! I am as happy as can be. The grasshopper laughed at the hard-working ants as they worked day and night. We are storing grain for the long winter ahead, they replied. The lazy grasshopper only laughed louder. Summer ended and the cold winter arrived. The wind blew strong and it started snowing. The grasshopper now began to worry. There is no food to eat, no grass, no flowers or leaves. I can't see even the tiniest fly or worm. What will I do? I will surely starve, he cried. Let me meet my kind neighbor, the ant. The grasshopper remembered how the hard-working ant had stored away grain for the winter. He knocked at her door. Dear ant, I am hungry and cold. I have nothing to eat. Please, 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 can you give me some food? The ant shook in anger. Lazy one, what were you doing all summer? You were only singing and dancing. You should have thought of the cold winter months ahead. Go away. She slammed her door shut. The lazy grasshopper was left as hungry as before. The moral of the story is there is a time to work and there is a time to play. So children, start to work today, then only you can harvest the benefits tomorrow. The Grasshopper and the Ant. Hindi translation. एक लेजी ग्रासहॉपर रहता था। उसको काम करना बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं था। पूरे दिन गाना गाता था और खेलते रहता था और वो अपने आप बहुत खुशी में रहता था और हार्ड वर्किंग करने वाला चींटियों को देखे हंस रहा था। लेकिन ये चींटियां बहुत मेहनत करते थे। पूरे दिन रात भर फूड को कलेक्ट करके उसको स्टोर करके रखते थे क्योंकि बहुत जल्दी ठंड के दिन आने वाला है। अभी गर्मी के दिन चला गया, ठंड आ गई थी और लेजी ग्रासहॉपर का बहुत चिंता आने लगा क्योंकि उसको खाने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं मिल रहा था। उस समय वो सोच रहा था अभी जाके मेरा नेबर एंट्स को जरूर मिलूंगा और एंट्स के घर गया और दरवाजा खटखटाया। प्लीज प्लीज मेरे दोस्तों, मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा खाना दे देना, नहीं होने से मैं पूरे भूखा मर जाऊंगा। एंट्स को बहुत गुस्सा आया और बोला तुम पूरे समर में गाना गाता था, डांस किया था। तुम सोचना चाहिए था फ्यूचर में ठंड आने वाला है, उसके लिए सेव करके रखना चाहिए। इधर से चला जाना, तुमको कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा। और द लेजी ग्रासहॉपर पूरा भूखा पहले कैसे था वैसे रह लिया। Children, now we are going to see some new words. First word, hard working. HARDWORKING, hard working. In Hindi, mehnat. Sunita is a very hard working girl. Arrived. ARRIVED. I-V-E-D, arrive. Aa jana. The train arrived the station at correct time. Starve, S-T-A-R-V-E, starve, to die from hunger. In Hindi, bhukha. She left her animals to starve. Slammed, S-L-A-M-M-E-D, slammed. In Hindi, जोर से बंद करना. To shut the door or window forcefully. Reading is fun. How did the grasshopper spend his days? The grasshopper spent his days by only singing and playing. Did the grasshopper find food in winter? Winter में उसको food मिला था क्या grasshopper को? No, the grasshopper did not find food in winter. What did the ant tell the grasshopper when he asked for food? The ant shook in anger and scolded the grasshopper for being lazy all the summer and not doing any work. Textual exercise. When you hear winter and summer, what are the words that come to your mind? Write these words in the bubbles. Sweater, hot tea or coffee, scarf, jacket, quilt, socks and boots. When I hear about summer, the following words are coming in my mind. Ice cream, cooler, AC, cotton cloths or light cloths, watermelon, cold water or cold drinks. Children, what we have learned from this lesson, hard work is very important in our life. Hard work, it will make you successful person, by APJ Abdul Kalam. Dream big, stay positive, work hard and enjoy the journey of our life. Congratulations on your well-deserved success. Bye bye. Happy learning.